What's up, Ankr coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Ankr coin, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction, the latest price update of Ankr coin. But guys, before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Ankr coin. Now guys, the right now price of Ankr coin in the market is about 0.094854 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Ankr coin. And furthermore, if we talk about the changes of Ankr coin, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Ankr coin is completely negative. I mean, the price of Ankr coin very badly falls down. That's why I'm telling you that it is a negative. I'm very shocked by today's changes. Today update is really a complicated and really a shocked update, because not only Ankr coin price change is negative, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, the most fastest cryptocurrencies price change today is negative. I don't know why, but that's really a shock for all of you. So guys, I think it is a patience time. Don't worry about these kind of changes, and majority cases I found these kind of changes is positive. Has these kind of changes result is very positive, guys. And I believe, guys, I also believe you already know about me that after falls there is a jump. That's my belief in a crypto market. Now you can see here the price of Ankr coin going in the falls. Absolutely, after 2 days, after 1 week, the price of Ankr coin will pump. But I'm sure that the price will pump. So that's why, guys, don't worry. Just hold and just look the chart. What's going on? Prediction is positive, guys. Don't worry. Just hold and be satisfied. Hope you like this update video. And please also share your opinion in the comment box, what you think about Ankr coin. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.